As part of the efforts of Lagos State Governor Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu's agenda to bridge the margin between the Western world education and Lagosians, which prompted the Lagos Education Summit 2022, tagged Feed for Purpose Education Summit.
Education for us, it's not just a pillar under our team's agenda. Education for us is a must for us. It's one of the major dividends of democracy. It's one of the cardinal objectives of any government that is worth its while.
Babajide Sanwo-Olu, who was ably represented by the Secretary to the State Government, Mrs. Folashade Jaji, reiterated that education is not just a pillar, but the dividends of democracy.
The educational system, what we teach, how we teach, and so on, that we need to start rethinking education and the way we deliver it. So she had set up the tone for the speakers. So by the time the panelists came up, and many of them were private sector people, we also had our Commissioner for Economic Planning, and we had a very young man who has set up his own very successful IT business, and we had quite a good mix, an MD of a bank, and so they all talked about fit for purpose, being that they want people to come out of our educational systems able to work.
However, different panelists who graced the occasion from different institutions also reviewed the way forward.
As we have seen that fit for purpose education requires about 5 S's. It must be sustainable, it must be, simple, it must be sensible, it must be sophisticated, and also sensitive. Sensitive in the sense that it must be, relevant to our socio-economic, socio-cultural, and socio-political, affinities. These are some of the things we need.
In Lagos, Olayinka Olatunji reporting for Newsbuster NGTV.